welcome to the Laugh Out Loud Comedy Show Meets, where we, of course, quite simply meet the stars that we're making you LOL come comedy night. Now, of course, we're joined by the guy who's ever sharp when it comes down to his hair, down to his jokes. Of course, it's Mr. Madlack, Travis J.
How's it going, brother? Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you very much. So, let's rewind a year ago at Laugh Out Loud Comedy Show back down in Brighton. Well, how was the show like for you? What memories come to mind?
It was a great night. It was a good vibe. Like, I remember going on first, right? Comics don't normally like to go on first because, like, the crowd's cold. You're going to be the guy to lift it up, but everyone else to have a good night.
Absolutely.
But I remember getting out and the crowd was just boom off the jump. They were just with me.
Yeah.
I was just thinking to myself, like halfway through, I whispered to myself, I'm killing it right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't like to be in that mindset because normally when you feel like that, it kind of goes the opposite way. But I was like, I'm killing it, and wait a minute, I'm still killing it. Like, it was a nice moment. You know what I mean? So I'm definitely looking forward to coming back.
Do you have comedy shows where you actually feel that confident all the way through, or was it shaky?
I don't ever try to, plan how it might go. I get on stage with the idea that it could go horrible. Because comedy will give you some reality checks.
Yeah.
You can feel like you're the man, step out, boom, they don't get your jokes. So, I stay humble on the way out.
Was this year's Laugh Out Loud Comedy Show is a red carpet affair?
Yeah.
So will we see more of a sort of suave version of you?
Of course. I mean, not many comedians can turn up the way I do when it comes to style. Like,
right.
No. I mean, with style, you look good. You understand? With your jokes, I get on stage, I'm humble, and then I work it out. But certain men don't know how to wear a suit. That's what I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna say any names. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's the mark of a man, in my opinion, and how you wear a suit. So, we know the difference, and we should find out on the night. I'm not saying any names, but Junior Booker's not really the guy to wear the suit in that type of way. Well, I mean, I didn't say any names. Just want to let you know what to expect.
Okay, so Mr. Booker, no, not saying any names, but...
Bro, you call out for Junior Booker like that, fam?
Comedy is all in the name of banter. Now, of course, you strike me as a sort of a suave, smooth kind of guy. Obviously, a ladies' magnet kind of thing, which is not good. Now, when it comes to universities and shows like this, how will the universities will be there tonight? What do you personally think about the most sophisticated ladies?
I mean, bro, you said I'm a ladies' magnet. I don't know about that. You know what I'm saying? I get followers, I get likes, comments, heart eyes. I mean, like, I couldn't differentiate where people were from the crowd. But I like the university crowd because it's all young, fresh face. It kind of makes you realize how old you are. Like, I'm 26 years old. Like, I still feel like I'm kind of young. And then when I'm now like 20, 21 year olds, I'm like, bro, I don't understand the banter. Like, it's a different, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know, man. I'm looking forward to it.
Excellent. Now, in brief, what inspires your content? What inspires your comedy?
I do have my trademarks, craziness on stage. Do you know what I'm saying? That's like some jokes you'll see me doing, but that's a Travis J joke. Do you know what I'm saying? But like inspiration, I'm talking like I come from the heart. I'm very honest with my stuff. I talk about my flaws. I talk about my pros. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really like to just pour it all out on stage. I'm a dad. You know what I'm saying? My little girl's 3 years old. I talk about fatherhood very honestly. Like, today I was at Sports Day, right? And I gotta be honest, I came in ready to win this race because last year I lost. Yeah, I came in ready to have the sprint. It wasn't a sprint. It was like one of those stupid little obstacle course. They got a beanbag in between my legs. I got to have a hula hoop, and then I got a hop. I'm thinking I ain't prepared for this. I got spikes on, shades, spandex. I'm ready to sprint. But this year, man, stay focused. Got the job done. Tied first place with some next brother. So next year I'm gonna win. Improvement every year.
Excellent. Now, of course, this year, brand new year, it's bigger, it's better. I've got loads more universities and students.
Nice.
What can we expect from you tonight?
I'm gonna make everybody laugh so hard they're gonna remember me forever. Even if like I never do stand up again, forever. Yeah.
Alright, excellent. Final question, tell people in 10 seconds or less why they should be there.
Because I'm gonna be there, Baba Tunde's gonna be there, Motor Comedian's gonna be there, KG, Junior Booker, A-Dot is going to be a vibe. I'm telling you, every single one of these comics I trust, and I guarantee everyone's gonna smash. No qualms about that.
Alright, Mr. Travis J, thank you very much.
No problem, bro. No problem.
And of course, to see more of Travis J and a host of other comedians guaranteed to make you laugh out loud, make sure you come down to the comedy show on November 12th. All details are down below. And of course, connect with us, social media and more.